Welcome to my first YouTube video. So in this video I will show you how to install a RAM on your computer. So first you know where your RAM is. So for this I'll be using a white Sony Vaio laptop. See, that's the laptop. So yeah, sorry for these weird spots here. This is actually the shadow of where I'm putting the camera. Actually I don't even have a camera, it's the phone, but yeah, I don't really have any stand, so I just put it on this random thing. So first you will want, wait a second. So first you will want to remove this screw, which is an easy process, everybody should know it. So after removing it, you lift this thing up. Then you get this. Take care of this. So first, of course you'll have more RAM with you, but I don't have more RAM right now, but I'll just show you. First, you mostly want to remove your RAM. So it is pretty simple. In most laptops, like in all laptops I guess, this weird thing right here, hope you can see it, this thing. So if I just push this and then push the other side, this one, then it just comes up. Then I can pull it out, same with the other one, pull it out and install our new ones. So I don't really need RAM right now, I'm just making a video. So now you want to push the RAM in these slots a bit tilted. So you put that, push it in there. Be sure not to give too much force or you can break your RAM. Just try to tweak the position a little bit. Then after doing this, it's slightly tilted. So you just push this in there. So that should do it. Let's do the same with the other piece of RAM. And remember, there are two parts of the RAM. This part is a small one and this is a big one. So you need to keep in mind that the small ones go on the left and the big ones go on the right. So yeah, like that. There you go. Now I can push this in there and it's installed. Now I can simply install this back. It's very simple to install this. Oh, I was doing it upside down, but it's very easy to do this. Just push it in there and then push it down like so. Then with a screwdriver, rotate it opposite of what you did to open it. Be sure to make it tight. Okay? And as you can see, now if I boot the laptop, so let me just show you. Just boot it. Boom. That's it for this video. This is my first video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet and like the video, because I'll sure make some cool YouTube videos later on. So yeah, hope I helped you install your RAM. So meet you again very soon.